20 minutes later.
Good afternoon. Welcome to TU News. My name is Monica Mall, and today we have a session on 3D printing. We met up with an innovator of 3D printing, Scott Crump.
We're here today with the innovator of 3D printing. This is TU News, and I am interviewing him, and he's going to tell me how he has came up with the 3D print. So, Mr. Crump, you have invented something very nice, and we can help the world. So tell us about that. What inspired you? Tell us now. All right, tell us now.
Well, I was first inspired to create the additive technology for 3D printing while working at another company actually, and there were the type of 3D. There was no 3D printing available really, and whenever we had to make prototypes, it was taking a long time to make the actual prototype, and then it was also very costly for the time put in to make the prototype. So I came up with the technology in order to help make it faster and be more cost efficient.
Okay. I like the answer.
Yeah.
So, Mr. Crump, what vision do you have for your new technology?
Well, the vision I had when initially creating the technology was that hopefully every design engineer, mainly they use 3D printing or in the aerospace and medical fields, and that all of them would be able to type in a type of prototype onto a computer and then be able to print it out on their desk and be able to show it, like use it, and then go back and maybe make a more efficient one and then be able to print that out. So that was basically, and it's pretty attainable right now with the technology that we're putting out.
So, Mr. Crump, do you have any videos that we can see how this 3D printing works?
Yeah, we do actually. We have some videos that I'll supply you guys with of one of my workers making just a wrench just for show for you guys that would be like a prototype that a company would make.
Here back at the studio, we have a medical researcher with us on 3D printing. Cheyenne. Okay. I know that 3D printing can make some interesting pieces of art, but how can it benefit people?
Well, one of the most interesting things the medical field is doing right now is researching how to make more efficient prosthetic limbs than we've had in the past. These limbs since 3D printing can utilize a lot of different materials that we couldn't have before, it could drastically reduce the cost of these body parts and make them more available to the general public.
Interesting. So what other projects are you working on?
One of the biggest things that we are doing right now is learning how to layer blood cells, which will eventually hopefully turn into blood vessels, and then it'll turn into replicating organs, such as your liver, that can help people a lot.
Wow. So when do you think all of this will be available to the public?
I would say it's really hard to tell, but hopefully within the next 10 to 15 years. One of the things that the medical field wants to do a lot is to take this kind of technology, which has really been for companies like NASA or something like that, and bring it to the public, which deserves to know about these kind of things.
How cool. Well, I hope all of you enjoyed this segment on 3D printing, and please join us tomorrow at this time on TE News.